uZinhle is a toxic one. Unenhliziyo enhle kakhulu. I come back. Yo guys, kunini ngihambile ngiyamalele and I'm back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nadia and AKA. If you've been part of the channel, thank you so much. If you are new here, please do subscribe and do share and do leave a comment. So today, loku ngithi guys, so many things are actually happening in Joloville, Maseleboville. Like, guys, what the heck is happening, guys? Kwenzakalani? Yo, hayi ngeke ziningi itori. But I just wanna start with DJ ZINHLE. No guys, no. Something is off about DJ ZINHLE. I have no personal vendetta now, but there's something wrong with DJ ZINHLE. Now remember, there's something wrong with ZINHLE and my friendships. Content right, and I think she needs to address it. The sooner she do that, the better. I think she's bossy. I think she's selfish. I think it's all about yena, not I think if you become her friend, you become her handbag or something like that. Like uZinhle, yonke into must be easy again than ukuthi naye enze. Now remember when we were introduced with DJ ZINHLE, her very first friend was that girl. Is it Nandi or something? Nomdeni. But that friendship, guys, that was Nomdeni loved DJ ZINHLE. Nomdeni is intelligent. Nomdeni is educated. Nomdeni, all about corporate. And I think was kind of not managing ZINHLE, but I think when she's a career or something like this, because I see right now with him, so that's where we got to know ZINHLE and my friends. Like Nomdeni was very hands-on, DJ ZINHLE, and everybody loved that relationship. And then boom, kwaphela kanjalo. And open umndeni. Then DJ ZINHLE became friends with Pearl. I remember how they became friends. I remember Pearl, she would see how she wanted to be friends with DJ ZINHLE. But DJ ZINHLE, when I see a story, it was more like a photo with him. Oh, she texted me, she used to follow me, and then she wanted to be my friend. Like, okay, let me just give her a chance. I was like, oh, okay. But anyway, now DJ ZINHLE We just don't know what happened. But I mean, I really think if uTJ ZINHLE is happy, namadoda akhe uyakhohlwa abangani bakhe. She's that type of a person, just simple and straightforward. Because manje happy and usekhohlwa it. But also what I saw and what I've said, guys, it goes back to the fact let's not inherit beef amangani bethu that's ngawazi ukuthi aqhamuka, or even if you know ukuthi aqhamuka, but I think just stay away. If kuthi mina semele ngikhulume noSibambane, angikhulume noSibambane, then still be friends with you. How Pepe la ngithatha sakhulumisana noBonangi, no AKA and all of that, but angimazi lokho uvula umnyango ufunani ngani zakwethu. Yeah, you know, anyway, so but this was seen. Pel Tusi was seen in a club with Nadia. Talk about something that young 2 days ago. It was Nadia's birthday. They were seen in a club, and AK was there. And then Nadia posted that video with Pel Tusi. Now remember, Pel is still celebrating a birthday at Pel, and ZINHLE was not anywhere to be seen. For me, I'm thinking when I was going to post that video to show ZINHLE was so, but now I'm not blaming Pel ukuthi now usebuyele usezona no AKA uzothini, because ngiyabona kecaca ukuthi lema enemies alokhe wathola bo Lerato because of uGeli, you know, lema enemies awatholayo because of ZINHLE abo Lerato Khanyago, you know, shuthi I know it's not happening. Abo Bonangi, you know, it's not happening. Shuthi uGeli is like, you know what, fuck it, I'm done. So now I realize ukuthi is with her new friend Uphumu. She's Venda, she's from Limpopo. That girl, she's low key, but she likes the attention because she likes going out with ZINHLE and she likes posting ZINHLE. And ZINHLE enjoys the brand with Uphumu because Uphumu buys things for ZINHLE. Uphumu, yo, name motto. Because now the man is right young and she's still young. Now the man is right. Now the man if now the man is coming and talk, coming and channel in talk and ngimfuse gize nje ngimkhumbuze ukuthi anamanje. So yeah, I'll say that ZINHLE and I was hanging around with that girl, but that girl loves ZINHLE more, and that's what ZINHLE wants. But that girl does not need ZINHLE anyway. I think it just wants a limelight somehow, because she would post to ZINHLE now and then. She asked for ZINHLE driver by a vendor. She's also friends with Stephanie, the makeup artist or something like that. But anyway, I was just here to say, I personally think ZINHLE is a toxic one. And there is Lonely London. You know, I don't think I feel sorry for Lonely London that much, because whatever that is happening to her right now, it was bound to happen. She knew this was going to happen. We both know how you ended up with Hlubi. We both know how we ended up with Capitan with Hlubi. We all know it was during COVID. We all know we were not the straight girlfriend even at that particular time. Hence, Hlubi was, you know, snaking there and then went to Kim, and then you went back on live with your friend Cleopatra. You know, it was just so messy. But COVID happened. Everyone wanted to be at home with someone. I mean, they wanted to fuck at the end of the day. So you ended up being at Hillcrest, and then you became pregnant. Then the child came, and you took the offer of my housewives, Jani, for what, knowing exactly what I don't watch Housewives, but I hear ukuthi bekumele kube nomambeso, and membeso did not happen. Loni is back at, is it, how do you pronounce it, Vatbank or Vetbank, but she's back in Mpumalanga. She's no longer in Hillcrest. Hlubi is all over. Guamanj, I'm sure he's outside here on the road because I'm in Durban, you know. And you could see ukuthi Londi was hating, you know, the last episode. Yeah, and Ula Chonkuma ngabe ethi you guys ninamadoda usapho, like what mina athukeli usebenza. But now Londi, during the season when things were fine, You said your man provides a soft life for you. Now, Lakonto is saying that 3 months later, 4 months later, things have changed at home, you know. You're no longer in Durban, you're staying in Mpumalanga right now. So you take offense if they're saying that you were the one who were telling us about the soft life, you know. I think for Lundi to have a second child was not, guys, why will flabby arms, look at this. You, I'm not fat. I will. Why should okay, I sit a phone. Ooh, I'm not like this. Why Olondi was not so happy to have the second child. Benga mele shame again. Benga mele I no shala enjoy the money, be the mother of the house or whatever, the lady of the house. And then comes back, but no to a second child. You've already secured the bag. Not even secured the bag because it's not his first child at the end of the day, you know. So it's a shame. I don't feel sorry for Lond ZINHLE, that man, and that man is married back home, you know. But then anyway guys, I'm just excited. Uguti Jones is out there living his best life without Mini, because obviously there's no waiting period. Anyway, hey guys, can you just leave Mihlali? Mihlali uphila empilweni yakhe, uphila emhlabeni wakhe. Mihlali does not care about us. Mihlali does not care what we are saying. Mihlali does not care about social media. So you saw what she posted, that video with nails, pedicure and manicure, saying my man did this for me. Mihlali will throw shade while she's going through shit because she does not care. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. Ngiyabonga, izandla zidlula ekhanda. Please do subscribe. I'm gonna see you on the next video for story time. I think maybe let's do a vlog. Let's do a vlog. Yeah, let's vlog. Bye.